Hello everybody, let's start. I'm going to create this presentation. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, it has some effect. Let's see if we can create this. Okay, let's start. At first we need the picture and we put the picture in the background. Just easy, we just copy the picture. There's a picture. I paste it in the background. Some easy work, nothing more special. Then we need to create the shape. For the shape, we are going to use this shape. Okay, and we are going to align its center, align its middle, and bring it a little down. Then we are going to add a rectangle. Press Ctrl A, go to shape format, and then combine. Okay, it's created. Really easy, you see. Now we copy this picture and paste it. Send it to back. Okay, it's good. Now here we set the shape outline to none, shape outfit to shape fill to black. Then format the shape, and here in the fill we reduce the transparency. Then we copy the text. The text is created by using Overdrive Sunset as a font, and also it has a effect that I'm going to show you. The effect I use is from here, and this effect, really easy one. Okay, then we copy the slide, we hold Ctrl and charge it, bring it up, hold Ctrl and Shift. Okay, it's good. Now we bring the text up and also make the color white. Now set the transition to morph, and your slide is ready. With a little bug, it creates a great effect. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Until then, have a nice